find our contestants. Where are Diana Lopez and Kate Murphy? I called down two people. Like, you're Diana?
Yeah, Diana.
Lopez, hi.
Yes, hi.
And I said, who's Kate Murphy?
Hi. My name's Kate.
Did we not know there would?
No.
Is your name really Kate Murphy?
My name's really Kate Murphy.
Where do you live, Kate Murphy?
I'm from Dallas, Texas.
And you're Kate Murphy?
Orange County.
I'm Kate, right?
I don't know. This has never happened, Andy. All right, so one of...
I get down here first. No, I got down here first.
All right, okay.
I just got a divorce,
But just,
so.
Okay, I've had a hard time too.
Okay.
Don't touch me. No!